Hello, welcome back to my channel Simple Coding. So today our topic is Python fundamentals. So first point is that what is a program? So a program is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a specific task. Next, what are the basic elements of Python programming? So there are 5 basic elements. Number 1 is Python character set. Number 2 is tokens. Number 3 is bare bones of a Python program. That means the structure of a Python program. Number 4 is variables and assignments. Number 5 is simple input and output. Now we will discuss one by one point. Now, Python character set. Character set is a set of valid characters that a language can recognize. A character represents any letter, digits, or any other symbols. Python supports Unicode encoding standards. Python has the following 4 character set. So number 1 is letters. Under letters, we are having capital letter A to Z and small letter a to Z. Under digits, we are having 0 to 9. Under special symbols, we are having plus, minus, into, divide, equals to, not equals to, etc. And under white spaces, we are having blank spaces, tabs, new line, etc. etc. Next, tokens. The smallest individual unit in a program is known as token. It is also called lexical unit. So Python has the following tokens. Number 1 is keywords. Number 2 is identifiers. Number 3 is literals. Number 4 is operators. And number 5 is punctuators. Keywords. A keyword is a word having special meaning reserved by programming language. Python programming language contains the following keywords. There are total 33 keywords. For example, false, true, and, break, class, continue, def, else, if, finally, for, global, import, while, return, etc. etc. Next, identifiers. These are the fundamental building blocks of a program. It is used for naming different parts of a program. For example, variables, objects, classes, functions, lists, dictionaries. These all are identifiers. These are the rules for identifiers. Number 1 is the first character must be a letter. Number 2 is upper and lowercase letters are different. Number 3 is should not start with a digit. Number 4 is can be of unlimited length. Number 5 is it must not be a keyword of Python. Number 6 is it cannot contain any special character except underscore, because underscore counts as a letter. So these are some examples of valid and invalid identifiers. Next, literals. Literals are data items that have a fixed values. There are 5 types of literals. Number 1 is string. Number 2 is numeric. Number 3 is boolean. Number 4 is special. Number 5 is literal collections. Next, string literals. It is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. It can be a single quote, double quote, or triple quote. Numeric literals. In Python, there are 3 types of numeric literals. Number 1 is integer. Number 2 is floating point. Number 3 is complex. So integer are the whole numbers without any fractional part, and floating point are the real literals having fractional part. Next, boolean literals. A boolean literals in Python is used to represent one of the 2 boolean values, that is either true or false. Next, special literal. None is a special literal which is used to indicate absence of value. It is also used to indicate the end of list in Python. None means there is no useful information or there is nothing here. Next point is operators. So operators are tokens that trigger some computation or action when applied to variables and other objects in an expression. Variables and objects to which the computation is applied are called operands. For example, here a equals to a plus 1. Here a and 1, these are operand, and equals to plus, these are operator. Punctuators. Punctuators are symbols that are used in programming languages to organize programming sentence structures and indicate the rhythm and emphasis of expression, statements, and program structure. For example, hash slash first bracket, second bracket, third bracket, dot equals to etc etc. So this is the bare bone of a Python program, or the structure of a Python program. So we are using comments, functions, statements, expression, indentation. Okay. The comments always starts from hash symbol. Next, function always starts from def keyword. After that, a equals to 15. These a equals to 15, then b equals to a plus 10. These are statements, and only 15, then a plus 10, then a plus 3. These are expression. After that, if a greater than b colon, then there is a gap before print. So this gap is called indentation. Okay, after colon you will get an indentation. So this is the structure of a Python program. Now what are these called? Expressions, statements, comments, functions, block and indentation. So expression is any legal combination of symbols that represent a value. Now statement is a programming instruction that does something, that is, some action takes place. Comments are the additional readable information to clarify the source code. Functions is a code that has a name and it can be used by specifying its name in the program. And last one is block and indentation, a group of statements which are part of another statement or a function. Next, variables and assignments. So what are variables? Variables are named labels whose values can be used and processed during program run. And what are assignments? Assignments means to assign a value to a particular variable. For example, a equals to 10. Here a is a variable and 10 is a value which is assigned to a variable a. Next, simple input and output. So input is to get input from user interactively. It is a built-in function. It always returns a value of string type. For example, name is a variable equals to input, enter your name. So it will take your name as input and store in a variable named name. And output is to get output on a standard output device. Normally it is a monitor. Example, print welcome to simple coding. So it will print the value or print the text as welcome to simple coding. So this is a program sample of showing how to take input and display the output on the screen. So this is the end of our today's topic. If you like my video, then don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.